Okay, I just popped the hood. Here's a look at the engine. Looks pretty good. She said something was leaking, so we'll see what all that's about. But that's that BMW M Power right there. I don't know. I'm not the best at these blogs, so I'm just trying to give you an idea of what the overall thing looks like before I start the transformation of it. This hood opens kind of crazy. It opens from the back. It's kind of slick. You sit it down, front, then you push it. I guess push the top piece. Push it down like that. And it's dirty and rusty as a mother. Looking from the other side. Oh my goodness. Looks like this thing hasn't been opened up in like a year. Oh my bad. You got like a piece of something down here on the floor. I don't know what that is. I guess I'm trying to fix it. Get in and out the back. The lever is real easy. Just pull that lever right there. So much junk back here you can't really see, but it looks like the seat is pretty good. It's not bad at all. Looks really, really good. Little tears in the seat in the corner over there. I always can get new seats. Two new front seats. It's not gonna be an issue.